Good morning, guys. How y'all doing? I hope y'all having an awesome day. So today what I'm going to show you guys how to do, y'all see this rhinestone ribbon? We're going to make those headbands. Carly B had on one. So you know you have the rhinestone and they have all of the little rhinestones on the headband. So what you do, you take a piece of this ribbon, you cut it to the width that you want, and then you measure it from the top of your head to the nape of your neck, and then you cut it to the size you want, and then you cut a lot of these little pieces. So that's how we're going to create this headband. Gino, this video ain't for you. Come here, babe. Come here. Come here. Gino said hello. Okay, babe. Go sit down. So when you're doing the hot glue gun, don't squeeze out a whole lot where it'd be hard to get off your wig block. But I got tape on it, so it'd be pretty easy for me to get it out. So I cut mine, and I'm going to line it up in half, make it even. And then you take some glue and put your glue right across. Remember, try not to put a whole lot. So if you got a glue gun, use a smaller one. Don't use a really big one because it's going to be hard trying not to glue, pushing all the glue through. So don't squeeze out a whole lot. So when it comes time to take it off, it'll be easy to take off. So yeah, Carly had on one of these and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And I'm like, I'm going to show my YouTubers how to make one. So this will be real simple. So if y'all like them headband pieces, y'all can make it. And you just keep going. And then if you want it longer, guys, cut it longer. Cut it as long as you want. So if you want the ones where it's got like the bang, then you would take a dome cap, put a circle right here in the middle, and then you'll start gluing the rhinestones, and then you cut it like a bob. I particularly didn't want that. And then this one, how you will secure it. When this get done, you just take a bobby pin. So when this is complete, you'll just put it on your head, and you'll just take a bobby pin and secure it with a bobby pin. So remember, try not to squeeze a whole lot out. So if you see how it's coming, all ready? Okay. So yeah, this is how you would make these headband like Carly had on one. Hers was silver. So, and these things is very expensive. When I be looking at the cost of it, I'm like, wow, how much? How much? So, yes. And the outfit that I showed you guys with the same matching gold, it's about complete. Like I said, that was 20 yards. So for me, I don't like when you turn around, I don't like the buttocks to show. So I'm going to add more to it. So that don't do it. So if you self-conscious about the black part of your buttocks hanging out, I know a lot of people will wear it and they okay with it. But I'm a little older, so I don't want my butt cheeks showing through. So I'm going to buy more. So if somebody wanted to make that, and if you don't want your butt cheeks to show through, then you're going to need more than 20 yards. So yeah, this is real simple. This is what y'all do to create this. And you just keep going. And the longer you want it, add more to make it longer. So yeah, so let me show my YouTubers how to make those bling bling headbands. If you guys watch I Am Athlete with Brandon's wife, she wear a lot of these across her head. Brandon's wife, can't think of her name, but it's I Am Athlete, and it's on YouTube. And Ocho Cinco and Fred and all them, they be on there, and their wives come visit sometimes to show. And she came out with one of these on. So I just wanted you guys to see where you can make your own. So now you know. See that? I try to come and bring out. And I don't get on YouTube a whole lot. So I'm over on TikTok. A. Marie Lace Wig. So I'm guys, honestly, I'm so different on TikTok. I make my clothes now because y'all know I retired from the wigs. And I go on TikTok and I do my little dancing videos and stuff like that and model my little clothes and, you know, have fun. You know, after the death of my son, I never kind of got back right, you know, where I wanted to, you know, do wigs. I actually did a wig class where I was teaching a friend of mine how to sew a wig on a sewing machine. And when she came over and when we was working together, I was shocked because it's so many new things that she was showing me that she learned from YouTube. And I told her I haven't been in the wig game in a long time. So I don't know, but you could tell me what you learned from YouTube and, you know, show me. And then I can kind of, you know, use my expertise and look at it and kind of go from there and kind of tell you what I can or can't do. So yeah, it's a lot of new stuff in the wig world. So yeah, I kind of been like out of the loop on the wig stuff. Kind of just retired from that. I don't make them anymore at all. So yeah, but you see how it's coming along, guys. This is what you're gonna do. It's time, little time consuming, but you can make your own headband. And remember how you're gonna attach this. You're gonna attach this by a bobby pin. So when you get it done, you line it up here, you lay it across your head, and you slide a bobby pin, and that's going to keep it connected to your head. And for the ones that want to make the bob wigs, then remember you're going to use the dome cap. I prefer to order a white dome cap if you're doing this. And when you get done doing all your gluing, you'll cut away. You're going to cut away the elastic going across, and you glue all the stuff to it, and you go from there. But yeah, this is how you're going to make these. So I try to get on here, guys, and every now and again be relevant. I just realized, you know, I had got a Google check from YouTube, and I'm like, wow, people still watching me? I don't even load. And I got a Google check from, you know, my what is them checks called? When you monetize your channel. So I received a check from YouTube, like from Google. I'm like, okay. So I need to get back on here and be relevant. Bring y'all something and get y'all back watching. I got to bring something that's going to keep y'all excited, right? But I was shocked. I'm like, what did I load that people watching? Because I kind of like fell off in that world. So guys, I'm going to be getting ready to stop the video. But y'all see now how this is going. So this is how you will make these headband pieces that people is wearing. They putting it over the top of their hair. So I just wanted to get on here and show you lovely ladies and gentlemen something. You know, Creative Carly had on one of these, and if you guys want it longer, then cut it longer. And guys, I got these materials off of Amazon. So put in rhinestone ribbon and you'll get it. It'll be on a roll. It'll be on a roll like this. And then the longer you want it, so if you want it really long, you'll cut it really long. And then take your scissors and cut each piece. But that's how you make these bling bling hair wigs or bling bling headbands. I don't even really know what they're called. But I just wanted to get on here and show you guys. So I'm going to keep going. And then when I get it all completed, I do a video. And if you guys follow me over on TikTok, A. Marie Lace Wigs on TikTok. And guys, I'm over there lit. I'm not the same. A. Marie, I dance to my little ratchet music and different stuff like that. I be having fun. Some of my YouTubers catch me on there. They be like, yeah, Miss A. Marie, hey. So yes, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. And I hope y'all had a happy New Year's, a wonderful Valentine's Day. So I wanted to give y'all something back, something that y'all can do and be creative. You guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.